Hello everyone, welcome to Vidakti Education. So here we have a question that 144 divided by in the parenthesis 6 multiply 4 plus 20. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. Now in this parenthesis, here we have one division and one another parenthesis. So first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. Is equal to in the parenthesis 144 divide 6 multiply 4 is equal to 24. Then close this parenthesis plus 20 is equal to, now 144 divide 24 is equal to 6 plus 20. So now 6 plus 20 is equal to 26. Okay. So the correct answer is 26. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Vidakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.